Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Marilyn Powers. My friends call me Coco with a K. I'm so excited. Next Tuesday, July 1, Dream Central Now is going live at 2 p.m. Pacific time. Everyone dreams. Dreams are international, but not everyone remembers, records, or knows what to do if they have a dream. When we're together on Dream Central Live on Tuesday, we're going to learn about the 3 R's. First, how to be aware that we're dreaming, recalling a dream. Second, recording the dream. And third, remembering to date the dream so you can be empowered and know some of the simple techniques for being on your journey with your dreams and the story of your life. We look forward to going live on Dream Central Now next Tuesday, July 1 at 2 p.m. Pacific time. Thank you so much. Look forward to you joining us.